Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting your device into flight mode to block cellular signals while keeping control over other radios. Once done, manually switch Wi-Fi back on and scan for a trusted network. This prevents accidental carrier data use. If you plan to use a hotspot or tethering accessory, enable Bluetooth now and pair to the host device. Make sure battery optimization is off for networking apps so connections remain stable. These initial steps isolate cellular from Wi-Fi and prepare the device to use internet safely. You now connect. Choose the Wi-Fi network and authenticate using a password or the captive portal form. This often restores full internet access without cellular. If you rely on a phone hotspot, pair via Bluetooth personal area network or join its Wi-Fi access point. Flight mode keeps cellular off on the device but allows tethered internet. Once connected, check your IP and DNS in network settings and confirm any proxy or VPN requirements so apps resolve correctly and services function as you finish by securing and testing the connection. Open a browser and a small app to confirm pages load and latency is acceptable. Once verified, enable a VPN if you need privacy, or change DNS to a reliable resolver to fix name resolution problems. If things go wrong, try toggling Wi-Fi, forgetting and rejoining the network, restarting the device, or repairing Bluetooth hotspot. These steps clear common state errors. Finally, make sure flight mode still blocks cellular so you stay on the intended network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.